Ora, asorogon korbogusi, Neji County Chito etanaine. Una, County ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nechisemo chinde chinyinge. Nigo kotonyora, aside kode ya Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao, na boigo onchore irio yao, igo ikoye nyore. Dizi TV, nigo turine kirenga, ekio korentera, emerubuli emerunge, chinka kichonsi. Dizi TV, obwensu, vuomogusi. Omuligereria bwe television ya Dizi TV. Nigo tukuiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubulio yeito yonsi chinsemero ngebere naine bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abonda isi veke nambeye asesimiao enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora uboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Dizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simu yao ime. Dizi TV, obwensu bumugushi, nigo bono ya nikirundekerene, nego kurendera, chibiche chinkia, na boigo chinkeno nukukigima, na bogo tonyora, asorogon korbogushi, Neji County Chito etanaine. Una, County ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nechisemo chinde chinyinge. Nigo kotonyora, aside kode ya Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao, na boigo onchore irio yao, igo ikoye nyore. Dizi TV, nigo turine kirenga, ekio korentera, emerubuli emerunge, chinka kichonsi. Dizi TV, obwensu, omuligereria bwe television ya Dizi TV. Nigo tukuiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira yonsi chinsemero ngebere naine bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abonda isi veke nambeye asesimiao enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora uboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Dizi TV nereyo Dizi TV obwensu bumugushi nigo bono ya nikirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogon korbogushi Neji County Chito etanaine. Una, County ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nechisemo chinde chinyinge. Nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao, na boigo onchore irio yao, igo ikoye nyore. Dizi TV, nigo turine kirenga, ekio korentera, emerubuli emerunge, chinka kichonsi. Dizi TV, obwensu.
Unchumulikira wono shargirisa to chabono botuke to sabu kwa viraso kunyoro kwa mangana maya chinse chinga kene ko kwaligania semesa ya mangana maya yaro kumanyigati ari to abireto kwaligania kurase mambia yalinge ntambe ko chinse chinga bono chabono margoba asiri wonyale ko sansam na kumanyibuna balike baita wero ko yasangire ko chinkongo chonse ega to koletera amangana maya kurase seme ya nesma ego toka chinse mechika chenya mataro ase county ya Kisii ase birotere bitambe maiga yo kore mese mangana mayo munchumulitiko sangana bwatani anetunyara kuligereria ari abireka koreka kurekana anemono asa abana na boigona abantama gukorokana kwerusya bugima engana turache kumurekera asuime kubwatikana bugana yakoligia korekana kya bongo igam aso mugambia ayo mubona abetega kumuito moroki woyo uyibona obetenega kwerusya bugima ase wodiri ya chuni ngati ya mangana turache kumurekera so imachinse chigabono chiabono margoba nyirabono ho murai wense William Samuel Ruto boigona nyara kone kibuna ngobikare se ili chikorengeto muswada OIBC asebono bara chiko chore committee bera chiko nyara gotenera na kone kibuna ba commissioner abanyanko nyara bakachorwa anemono aso chia kuligeria mangana rengete obochori ngayungati yar turache kumurekera se margoba yabono nyirabono asya amona enda mange abokondra gutobwate weterense media mtandao semelia Facebook na bogotena unandizi TV News Digital na bogense media YouTube na bogotena unandizi TV News kweba gotobwate agwetera se website ito unabutambe www.indis.net unyara konyora yamo na yanda mangali tangani kema tunara mangana yua senchira yoku ya chuta
Wanyumondo wadaete egasi yao ni sera sake atenene
bali mumereta amatekero kyobo government ya county ya Nyamire soke moni sera chino tigagonsererie yetana gosererie county lito tebire Nyaribo.
A dialogue is the way forward out of the crisis that we're having today in our country. We agree that we give people an opportunity to be heard.
Igaikaro kia bantemia ya mamane 50 gochaka bena igasense ya Kenya gochakara Jumatatu ikege gochote biro murebwensa so murebwe kyama kyo diemerera umoro dinga tebire chinkwana chiranyara go konya kero murebwensa rategerere abakenya. Abanyagatari bokwegera go St. Anne's nigo bakorokorobekana go ikasama gacho yobo chenumiyo mucyo Nairobi ko mucyo murebwensa sabaga ni bakano chibese cyabo buna bakigeto mwaka bo 2012. Asa yo mulenda mangi saranso ikabona otumanya senchira yoboye kirano yeterana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Ikotoka chakemese mangana mayane monokuru wa county ya Kisii ebyombe ao bitali bya serikali seritukulia reba nyakonyora maegelio inse ye kyombe kya Uraia Trust ane mono asentere yokonyara kwegenderia kati ebyombe bikonyara kwegerero bende omanya bantu asomo bagani homo aiga county ya Kisii ne wanyara ko semigwa enchera banyara gwekine na konyara ko nekuna basubahati konyara baleko so asamangana yobraye ane mono asensemeria ya siasa ne gojinga kiyocha basabanyara ko semo connect na kuibwatara ni bale asinchera ao ekerebyombe bya rokana kwegerera na gotebuna mbagendere kumwegerera na kuligeria obone womanya bantu omulikito dipona sanya nekera na sense mejo na gutwariga roboti rokobwatia
Litukulia rero ebyombe gwetanye 30 kati yabo biri bikurwaniriro boene bu musubati meye county ya Kisii nigo batwarege ikaro gyokoene na maigerio yokuyegerera buna omusubati asoborai
Maria tankuru kwed na tambo inde oyo mugogi urubiri kurwaniro bwene bwa basubati asense mwite yabusi rere twasangerekana gaiga gwetire kyombe kya Uraia Trust asense moyo kotema gosemia basubati gosebyombe binyari kwegerana wakonya basubati basose ebiro kubiribyo byobogambia asense mwite yabusi.
Leo tumekuwa na kongamano la wanaharakati hawa. Tumeletwa pamoja na kikundi cha Uraia Trust ambao leo tumekuwa tukizungumzia juu ya maneno ya kuongeza nafasi ya wanawake na vijana katika siasa.
My name is Edna Obeto. I come from Kisii County. I'm here as a youth representative of an organization. We are here on behalf of Uraia on capacity building us on the importance of women and youth and persons with disability being included in the governance of this country.
Chinga kecho boigo ebyombe byabasae byekirana asomusangerekano ywe Kabalingine ganga yoko bwateranigwa asemerobelio ya serikali.
My name is Joseph Kipko. I came here for a program organized by Uraia. The main focus of our program was youth inclusivity in political space or in leadership spaces.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Lucy Onyango. Mimi ni mkazi wa hapa Kisii County. Na sisi kama mayouth tuko hapa leo to increase our spaces, to have our voice heard also by our leaders and to increase the urge for political spaces.
To talk about opportunities that we have for the youth, more especially in Kisii County and in Kenya at large. So we've been able to do a series of activities that are aiming at creating a better space for the youth and for the people living with disability within Kisii County and also in the nation.
Komentana ywe nigo baburia basae koimukirira iguru na kwebwatira aso kwerigeria na kwenyorera ribagarigia asoborai nonya na sobochori bole bosio bo mwaka bwechiri 2022.
Tunapoendelea na mazungumzo hata wa Gen Z tunaomba ya kwamba mkishatoka streets kujeni pia kwa political spaces as youths na as even young women, itisheni viti in 2027, kumaanisha ushike kipande, si tupige tu kelele na hatuna vipande. Tuingie political seats ili tuweze kureduce wage bill, ndio maisha pia ikwe nini, ikwe rahisi.
Nanyala boni gabasaya babere bakubolia serikali gotegerera amagani yabo na boigo ko bali bagarigia asimiroberio ijamagenderero.
Urge the government to give us a listening ear so that our issues as youth and as the major population in the country can be heard and addressed so that we can build our nation.
If we are there on the tables, in the decision-making tables, we are able to cut on so many accountability issues that we are currently facing.
Our generation, we have decided that 2027, come 2027, we'll be there to support the young people who are willing, and my encouragement today is the young people to take up the lead and also vie for those political seats, because we have our space in the government and I feel it is underutilized.
Yiko ripoteri kitaseri kia unambe ya Mokiandizi TV kurubo katakati wye kaunti ya Kisii litere na enkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Murikito Dipon Asanya sorobochurwa asenchira yobo ikirano gotigana yobo mwancho murigereria igobone serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira seritukulia rero bonensi yo mugavana we kaunti yo Amos Nyaribo abwatoka chi milioni 50 munaisane mubunenchire mu yoko nyara gosira borkiwa anemono bali babete oseba form 1 na form 2 ase kaunti yo ukona kura sensemi yo mugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira ni gate buna nagendere gwikirania magendera se kaunti yo chinga kiyo nganyara komochi abamirya baye abo bagenderete komochi chira sensemi ya gesiasa Nyaribo igoni nganyara kubulia abamirya baye kwande kunangwe kabara service yaje eliko ne kubunango bwatira na bara senchire mu yoko nyara gwikirania magendero ase kaunti ya Nyamira omurikito kurose kaunti Paul Kapokara na roboti rwa senchira yobuime
kaunti ya Nyamira moske Amos Nyaribo anyara ko bagakubwatuka ebaseri USA ne chishilinge chimilioni 51 ejo chirati kunyara ko bachiko bakonya abana bakorwa se chinga chitari kwenyara anene bagosomekera askiri ya kianda mune kirasi ge komim.
Today we are here to launch bursaries for Form 1 and Form 2 worth 66 million. As we agreed with the MPs to be giving bursaries for Form 3 and Form 4.
Kurengana mune Nyaribo nigo barete tumuruburi gabunenchire ya moyo kubwatesya serikali nene kwene kibunango konya barabana abaga kwegenderia mu namasomo abo.
We came in as our government 2013 and we deliberated with the former governor and decided that our people are too poor. Most of them are in day schools, and even if it's a national government function, we have to intervene because it's we who knows where the stone pinches.
Asomo jogoye gamu governor ni gatebere na gochakira umwakonde kwatakana muno muri umuye bwa masomo we klaskiri ya kiandage tabao nigo baratwanyara kwa bagutumeka kibese cyo kunyara kwa bagusira kisikuru cyo bubundya echo byakimanya kandi muna vocational training centers elyo kugenderia masomo ya abana na nene kwebundusa chikosi cha maboko.
Next year we'll be giving one Form 2 because Form 1 will not be there, and that balance will go to VCT and ECD. We have also scholarship programs which are 751 students. This was my initiative because we realized that some very, very poor students, even if you give them a person, it will not assist them.
barai hao be serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira nigo baikirana sajaiga asibagendere ko bahaba komochi gati barai bande kurase serikali nene abo bakomochi nene murobiri y'umugima asibaganiriye serikali yiga kunyara ko bagotiwa na gusira abana bega batari kwenyara kurase cinga kitari kwenyara Samuel Ogeto no MCA we wadelia manga uyibegoro munyakirogo obwa amangana ya masomo kurase kaunti ya Nyamira.
We have several sections. We have the ECD, we have the vocational training centers. Then we have this bursary, which is purely a national government function. But we are here assisting our parents. These are our electorates. We have to assist them, even if it's a national government function.
Nonyina bo ni gabara ya baga bago bagendere ko bagusegeta kwene kibuna gotambiye bare omurubiri buno yiga na kurusia nengo yabasomo buke liko basira abana batari kwenyara iliho ko gendereria masomo yabana baiga. Henry Obwaya no MCA we wadelia ya Gachuba.
Tito tigiraga abana bweka arukibasari na into esetorwete if we can noro mwana yomo usabana babere na ya support egera abana basome tito tigiro umuntu yomo gato che amatupula wa resources egera abana bakore school
na kulingana muno mwaziri wa manage seminar boigo ni chisukuru chubunde kurwase county Nyamira musubati Emilongaga nigo airo murubire igo koboko igentobego kyagendere ko bagagotogi wa monegati baraibanda wekerenase ayaigam.
Your Excellency, as I coordinate the department under your leadership, I want to appreciate the support.
Yinko report ligeta seniki wa wanjete kiandize TV kurugigasti nsemechi gache county Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp Okara
muno mulikito kurase county Nyamira Polycarp Okara soroboti rwase nchire yobo ikirano gotigana yo no mwancho muligeria omMC guhodi yadgoma nyambe gagi sesani gobono abereka wesokia na kunyara kubolia omura Wensi William Samuel Ruto ko ne kibuna asobwa nkonyara gwikirania committee ra chigochora aba ekombe kalikia ba commissioner yemaiga yo omura Wensi kunyara kubeke ya state tukulia ra kolengana na gisesani gate beruna chinsemo chingane mono imeje county Nyamira ane godiria nyamaya na bigone wode nyansiongo ne ocharroka ne gotigara maiga sense ya magendro kubwatikana no kuboro kumurai ase chinsemecho.
Chairperson of the UPA political party Esaigayo Mogusi, na siku ya leo President William Ruto akiwa na Raila Odinga akiwa na Kalonzo hata Gachagua walikuwa wamepitisha ule mswada the president has assented to the IBC amendments bill. What we want to request the government is that let us put the selection committee of 9 people as soon as possible. We have wards, we have 2 wards in the whole of Western Kenya. That is in Nyamaya, where Mheshimiwa Zeria presents, and in Nyansiongo, where elections, by-elections are supposed to be conducted. Si tunaomba serikali iharakishe ile mambo ya kuweka selection panel ya IBC ndio tukuwe na commissioners to move kwenda mbele.
Kutigana yubone nkeye mokuro chinse mochiri cha mogonge kutoka se wodi ya Nyachake bunge ya Bobasime ya kaunti ya Kisii nigo bagendrete ko ganyoba ene bwabo yenko bwatekana no mwana oboko nyara wakwa na goitwa na basani baye yotebekana buna nigo mwana yale ko genda senka yaye karabona beteka go sagano na basani baye ikukira bondi gataramanyika ningi kireto mwana iko nyara goitwa bayega yo wakwegentego tu aso moto ye mkome kwa sinyagetari ko bikwense mu ya ICU na bokolengana nenke yo asemero buri go takumurusyo mwana nyagetari ni gotebekana buno mwana ini gabaka osirugwa mabwaye nigo chinga kichinke yuko bwatikana no butaka bora asenke yubagote abuna yabero muchando modoko nyara guwakana ibili ya nyagetari nabega soko nyara kurobelyo merobelyo ya nyagosira nigo banyare ko bolyo mu MC wense manya cheki na bigono mu bunge wense mu Bobasi Innocent Obiri ubotera no mugavana we county ya Kisii ko nekibuna nkonyara reko basira bunenchire mu yoko nyara kubeke merobelyo yoko enia umwana obo
anere bikambwa umwana wenje na mwete transport ko Nairobi achenga cha kuba kwani kana mwe transport alingwa kirwisi migotuko ache to botuko owe kamambia mara obango akirwisi mimo mwana itiru ochire nyagitari ya ochira ICU ye obere ori tuko ngwaka na elwa musini tuko obere ori weekend ngema biri yakinire ebiri ibina yakinire kerangu erigereria tindo chinga ninyare kiara nje ninware
uno mwana kwendo ya no sirete usira kwa yego to ichane kimono sana ekiagera n'oigwete gachete nyacheki ekeraika nyacheki asibarenge n'abandi abiro tumanyiti ono ntuto chituko yuno mwana oyo rusirwa yabunyacheki oirunya gitari oikunya gitari tukangetenga nkuru mwana nkurwa nkubweni gwale achenka matukabira atatu tukungu mwana oyo akorereki sirira
epire ibina yakinire kerangu erigereria ndo chinga ninyare kiara nje ninware takiri chibeza
eturaganye gakyo ndo bwensi musamario ndo bwensi romuya atobwatesie egara torusio mwana oyo agu egara tomweni gaki
obakungu bore senke no banene utogusabanga nyore n'aba misiyo ito nkoba mopungo ito no senturi no mugabana oito simbarati anyumugata mabira aliyo yogokonya akikonya muchuyo ekiagera muchuyo nyori obakungu banene uria toguchikuwa magega usio twanyoranga ntugwatirichi gwensi gusemo samario gwensi kura nyore gotokonya atokonya ekiagera ipiri gere igoro 240
ono ngutigo sabanga wa Somalia baya bali bara babwata gokonya banyalo to bari sipire yabere 340 akimu sabana rayo egere na inche birangari bira na Kenya ole sindi bagangurware libo
na gotigana yono mwancho murigereria senchire moyo kunyara ko Kenya kemerige channel gesa sensemerie zone ya ba central ego no director mochore senseme yalgani wa senka ya yego te factory chibere itumbe na nyamache enchire mo hata yabuna nagendera ko ne kibuna bali mikunyara ko wonkonyara bali ko konyeka wetera kemerige chebuna tokumanyigwa no murikito juri kerubo
Kama director mochoro moya zone ya basi central imeye factory ya itumbe na nyamache aserieta Bernard Nyang'au asenka yaye imeye itumbe
Jebuna Mr. Bernard mo director moya basi central torokora akritanga ni nyasaye ngambia mono lero twari ngasinga yane asokure ni nyasaye mbia mono wetira sabale mi una banchorete mo director abo asetukuri ya lero na rigoke
Gokwana negeta Senikandizi TV ni Bernard iraniri nyasaye mbia mono na boiga baremia soko mochora na kubaliere ira yogo chikubakorera magenderero iryo benyorera engeria enyinge
Njebuno mo director pa central ninga kisekoranga abari mibana asichaye tundubari basombi ko borobia na koruororo ntorrenga ebintu mbiri bitakiro tumeka se tundubari na kimo una chicho cyobo chenu chitoke se tundubari cyabo ningerwe na kimo gotarira abari mibane asitundubari chonsi wakisanga obonchoreri obu wabera ase pa central na kimo ndo bwatera ne chipoti ito ya nyamache wetera se egrupu yemu tobwego koeneki ngabani baito baisanekire no boremi bwechaye
Omoyego bagugwikiranirwa n'aba director abo bachorwa bakoragwa na Dr. Abel Kenyoru uyuboigo ukorigia kwegwe kirogo kyobo board member bwa KTDA kurwaso yokabeire kiroge kyo omweno Umbasa
peni ayeno mogeni lakini twakokaribishire na makokabire eliyegere ntubona aba director balitoro ntosange experience yae eliyobwate koruisiko o inject new blood ase body yaito ya nyamache inche nkoboliande obo board member nonye umweno kwanaga ne role incumbent igoni ntagetene inche mupinge mboli obo director obo board member bwabere bo machoge bono tutagete bochi bo basi iyire nyamache bokurubo basi nyamache bogende kia mukama eyinero embinu tobwate na ende tutagitunya kwara na maiso intubo na ba director ba reforms torosie structure abantu baratumie myake gocha no 20 ngonye yari ngogembo bareto montobo abe board member
Nigo Dr. Kenyoru arireira yogo chako kinya ebirengo byechaya Orthodox ase factory ya nyamache na gusaba babwaterana bonsi erio ayo abega wikiranigwa buya
kororanga next time bonus irache nebe iguru kubweri ende yarengo ntubwate chimbinu bunantu aba director banyamache bari baro to tagete tobe Kenya mache nyore Orthodox bono igabona ngukwana itumbe garo twakora 9 months accounts onye ni itumbe yoga twale ko bakana bali 47 shillings per kilo igongonye nyamache nero ya bugate orthodox moigwete ntwale kuriera less than 30 twale kuriera 47 shillings.
Asensemo yayo mweno mbasa nigaboririe abadirector bonsi kubwatira namo iriogo kinyari gesarie kemerigie chaye
obole mibwaito bogendere mutu echaye ngiye toru elie kuru quality tea elia ogotora baada ya matukata nabere paka matuko 10 twachora echaye ngiya elinde egochiekere gosegwa yatware quality na ndekere koenda Mombasa yabanga nkurwanirerwere asengenche quality ere igoro bali ba minto twachoriru abo basi yonda atakigento ekuru unity mune board member yintagete unity einere ragerere tuoro kia bali ba minto nganga kibole mibole without unity ntoko enda far. A house divided, it falls. A house united goes far.
Ngoripoteri Getaseni, Kiandizi TV, Editarian Njuli, Kerubo.
Muno muri Kitojuri Kerubo hasorobo chirwa senchira yobo ikirano gotigana yono mwancho muri geli murai wense William Samuel Ruto igate biribuna na chikonyara gotwarege ikaro kya motokata nelimo ko chakiri kiego cha kyabantemiemo amane 50 gati yabantabu igabasaye 50 na batano yo mubara ikirane bunenchire mu yokonyara gotegerero kogani kwabo engana yego koboko no muri wekya makya ODM rera murudinga huyekera nasiri tukuriya ruchinga guchokonyara kobeke sina kobalichiko omuswado lengta IBC abasaba commission abona barachiko chorubango iga maiga yumure wense gochigoetia abantu e committee erachiko balingo lyabona tokomanyigwa no muri Kaito Dorcas Kemuma
Zabakuru no murai wense Dr. William Ruto amona barayikurase abo mobwazimyo bakura uno murai wekyama kyodi murai Odinga nigoli tukolia lero baina kyokobekwa SAE kwa muswada abo bochole amone chimbibe IEBC asomoyego yokalekana asamagacho IKCC meyomochi o Nairobi abarai abo nigo bagokera gwetigwa kwa muswado ywe na kobari chiko asebate bamna yenenchira ya moyo goikirania egati ya machiko imeyense ito ya Kenya aboigo kwa
Today's assent of the IEBC Amendment Bill therefore marks a significant step in the actualization of one of the recommendations of NADCO and testifies to our country's ability.
This bill that has now been signed into the law today is just one of those. But the NADCO report contains very many issues.
The constitution of the IEBC is a great step for our democracy.
Ruto ni gateba munani gobono barachi gochaka moroberi obokoligia aba commissioner bekyombekyo kya IBC abono barachi gotenera obochori imeyense.
The signing of this bill paves way for the establishment of the selection panel for the appointment of IEBC commissioners. The IEBC remains a cornerstone of our democracy, responsible for overseeing regular elections at various levels, and on the overall, ensuring that our electoral cycle is managed transparently and administered in an impartial, neutral, efficient, accurate, and accountable manner. I concur with leaders who have said there must be professionalism and integrity.
Now set up the process of nominating new commissioners. We made it very clear that both you, Mr. President, Mr. Raila Odinga, the Prime Minister, will have to agree on perhaps, most importantly, on who becomes the chair of the new IEBC.
Ni goboigo atebamna ni gobarachi kubatrina amona baraibonsi meyense eliokone kibuna bairirense ya Kenya motwe akemagenderero.
I am very confident that, as always, Kenya knows how to pull together, and leaders know how to come together in the best interest, not of individuals, not of parties, but the collective body of the Kenyan people. And I look forward to working with leaders.
Omukonyo yeri katika shawani gaboli ya Kenya kuirangora aboigo kwali bagachinkwana gokoleka eriogokora emichando ya Kenya.
Of Kenya to give dialogue a chance, to give consultation a chance, get off the streets, stay away from destruction of property, because Kenya is greater than all of us.
Akura sensemo yoyo kabeire omo Prime Minister Raila Odinga nigo boigo segitengane yoyo chinkwana asabolia serikali kubwatani abantu bonse erikwanira emechando egendrete emergency.
If you say that between 35 and 18 constitute about 40%, we need that 40% to be present when this dialogue is taking place. And then the rest can fill the rest. And then we just talk about the Kenya we want. The Kenya we want convention. Out of that will come out recommendations that will help us to resolve this issue once and for all.
Dorcas Kemoma, Ndizi TV.
Biamuno mulikito Dorcas Kemuma hasoroboti rwase nchira yobekano gotigana yuno moncho muligire tomurekere amangana lengete chigo sore ensemeli ya regionals ni gobono chira aliganigwe aigase county ya Kisii ebiti birarigani chigo sore chongene getse kalegia Kisii school na boigo ensemeli ya Cardinal Tunga Musocho chigo sore aun chigo sore gwe aseri tokolia nkyo mulikito ndemo Stevena igabwa toroboti rwase nchira yowime
Sori chechi secondary ritukolia nkyo asensemo ya Nyanza ningorera ababwatani n'abateneri bechi gosori au baikira na sebiti gati abegeti gya Kisii school asebanyara kwa bakobirotota korabuna beikaranire na machiko akora chigosori echo amo n'abateneri bechi gosori echo kwenyoria machiko arara ya mameranyo yentundeye.
So we received the referees today. I have marked the fields. I have ensured the nets are placed. I have ensured there are corner flags. And I'll ensure everything that is necessary for football to run is available. So my work is to assist the commissioner to perform his duty, and which I've done perfectly, to ensure that the championship runs as far as facilities in football are responsible.
Today we had a clinic. It's supposed to run for 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. So during the clinic we are just refreshing ourselves on the rules. And we have also done a little bit of practicals so that we test on the fitness of our referees. So far what I can say is that we are ready and we are ready to go.
Ababwatani bekyombegia Kenya Secondary School Sports Association nigo baisanekire na magenderera beirorera sebiti birarigani chigosori chientunde ye asebagandu chitie muchionte wekana ritukolia nkyo asomoroberi bene bogwasi oli gwa bene gwe chigosori chientunde ye asegatemye no biro beiri emarogo bayankyo na monensemo ya pool A ensemo ya Bamura kimeno gati timu ya Kisumu Day amona Agoro Sare bwatensemo ya pool B egeti ya Cardinal Otunga Musocho kimeno kirabe gati timu ya Matutu PG amone timu ya Sameta Boys ikimeno kimenka inebuna Gusii Derby.
And I want to tell all members of Nyanza that we are ready for this particular championship, and we want to welcome each and every member to this particular zone. This is our time, and we believe that this championship is going to be one of the best championships that we have ever had. It is going to be good because of certain reasons. One, we have very good teams in Nyanza. Most of the teams that are from outside, we believe that they simply have most of the students from this region. So when we have a tournament in Nyanza, we believe that that is our tournament, and our tournament can be very good and better than all their tournaments. I want to say that in terms of preparations, we are having 2 pitches that is being used in Kisii School, that is for soccer. We are having 2 volleyball pitches, we have 2 netball pitches, and that means that we are going to start here in Kisii High School.
Chinga kiechio niga gwatani ne abateneri bechi gosori echivarurege kurege tinde sechi team kwena kibuna abagosori barabe kwa sechi team au na abagosori baraboro kigwa sechi skuru ase barure irabuna mbairege tambukirege tindi asechi team chiratoke na mamojo yogo twara abagosori batari aboro kigwa.
And I want to put this one very clearly, that whichever team comes to this particular tournament with non-students, we are simply going to punish you immediately. And I want to report here very clearly that we are not going to entertain any nonsense. A team that does not play students is not a school. We would want schools to be represented here. And we are saying all the teams that we are having here using schools' names. There is no village that is being represented here. So whichever team that is prepared with the villagers, we are going to catch up with you. And we want to say that in Nyanza region, we are going to clean up this region so that we have students taking part in this championship, so that we have the resources being spent being spent by the right students who are supposed to do that.
Buna egetaseni kiandizi TV ndore kibona ntuko bwateri chigosore chuke bwikiranu gati chigosori chinde ko bekwase emetandao yaito kwene kya buna Alliance Piara agendera siosori echi wa chinyorire asenchira yobo ikiranu ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko rwasegeti gya Kisii School retera nende mo Steven Captain 001
Bimono captain number 001 Demo Steven nemono samangana gidachi gosori chimono tira chakiri tokoliankyo Nsemaria Regionals chinseme chibere Kisii School na boigo na kadino tunga moso chomo ginyane gotoremo semo kuro chinsema Janesma Counseling and Psychotherapy Center aigomo chimono toji kusanga semargo bayabono kubatkane bikore binge bibere bigokorekana anemono torra bantabanga bakonyara ko rusi bugima torra bikore binge bibanto weita ingana torachi kumulekera anemono sobo garase margo bayabono tutware agati ya bwatani abange obwatobanye obumanyi obuturigirangani yo achinsemo chonsi gobona sebiro bitero bitambe cyo isaransa nabageni bane asemargo bajabona kurense migenya mataro Nesma Counseling and Psychotherapy Center asonda cyo sanga mangana ukwana mankura tori boli ndio cyo mwacho muligalian no sanga ntugeterense meli mtandao ili boncha go sanga mona asemargo bantu igobona toska aseke kerebu sinkora tori SMS ndet nyargo sanga mona chinse chigobona chiyabono margo iterana nchinkuru kwa Vincent Nyancha nitimu ndetu wabwaterana njiko manyase biro bitari ebitambe